Some scientists are working on ways to recycle nuclear waste or even use it to power special reactors.
Wow, that's fascinating. It's like the ultimate recycling program.
And exactly, and with AI in the mix, who knows what other innovations like we might see. We could be looking at safer, more efficient reactors, better waste management. The possibilities are pretty exciting. But
It really is. When I first heard about the story, I was a bit skeptical, but now I'm kind of pumped about.
They sound so real. GroqCaster. Like a think and feel. GroqCaster. Talking robots from the future, but they are here today. Learn how to control them on AI tips for Jay. GroqCaster.
You can use Google if you want, but I'll be using Groqqle because it allows us to quickly create a synopsis of any news story or other web content, and that makes for a very nice input file for our new GroqCasters application. I'm partial to the Llama Versatile model because it's a nice all-purpose general-use LLM for all sorts of uses. It's very... what's the word I'm looking for?
Versatile?
No, that's not it. I'll think of it.
It's versatile. It's right there in the name.
It'll come to me. In the meantime, let's make a synopsis of this 3 Mile Island news article. Our new GroqCaster application can operate in two ways. It can either take a source of information like this news article and write its own podcast dialogue script, or we can supply it the script, and GroqCaster will just skip ahead to generating the voices. Here are the results of an earlier test where I saved the news article to an input.txt file, and GroqCaster created this dialogue between Mike and Rachel, our robot podcasters. Our script will include a lot of articles of natural speech, including nervous laughter, pauses, and the occasional or These are the sorts of things that help humanize our output. Since 11 Labs can't directly insert nervous laughter, we've used the freeware Bark generator from Suno AI. I'm running this on an 8GB NVIDIA 4070 RTX GPU, and the voice generation takes a while, maybe 15 minutes of work for 10 minutes of audio. Since Bark produces low-quality audio, I run the final WAV file through the free voice isolator on 11 Labs. It actually made a mistake and inserted a third character. I kept it in because, despite it being an error, I think it sounds pretty good. Take a listen.
It doesn't depend on the weather, and it can produce massive amounts of energy without pumping CO2 into the atmosphere.
Huh, I never thought about it that way.
So this AI-powered plant could actually help fight climate change?
Exactly. It's like having the Hulk on your side in the battle against global warming. Doesn't powerful, a bit scary if not handled properly, but ultimately...
They sound so real.